The PYD Life DTF Printer A3 is a game-changer for anyone looking to level up their t-shirt, bag, or cap printing business. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the Amazon link to this printer in the description below. This printer is designed for serious crafters and small business owners who want fast, high-quality prints without compromising reliability. One of the standout features is its upgraded fast printing capability, which is twice as fast as the L1800 or 1390 DTF printers. Whether you are printing A4 or A3 sizes, the machine delivers consistent and vibrant results in a fraction of the time. Equipped with a single F1080 XP600 printhead, this printer ensures stable, premium quality prints every time. The three selectable resolutions, from 720 by 900 dpi to 720 by 1400 dpi, give you the flexibility to balance speed and detail depending on your project. The built-in white ink circulation system, mixing system, and automatic printhead cleaning help prevent clogging and maintain smooth operation, which means fewer interruptions and less maintenance stress. For convenience, it includes a preheat function to secure your designs before heat transfer and a waste ink alert system to prevent messy overflows. The PYD Life Rip software makes file processing straightforward, with auto layout and bulk printing options that save time and increase efficiency. On top of all that, professional customer and technical support are available online to guide you through installation and setup. While it's a premium investment at $2,599, the speed, reliability, and print quality make it worth considering for anyone serious about DTF printing. From hobbyists to growing businesses, this printer helps turn designs into vibrant, lasting products quickly and efficiently. Don't wait to upgrade your printing setup. Check the Amazon link in the description below and see if it's the perfect fit for your creative projects.